So welcome to knowledge sheet number 6, dealing with doubt. A doubt is a grey area. Grey is something which is neither white nor black. Now how to solve a doubt? Accept a doubt as either black or white. See your doubt as white and there is no doubt. See the doubt as black and accept it. Either way you accept it and move on. See someone as either honest or dishonest and accept him. Then your mind becomes quiet and you are not in the grey area of doubt. Have the conviction he is dishonest and yet he is still part of me. I accept him as he is. When you are in this grey area of doubt, whether this person is honest or dishonest, then constantly your mind is engaged. It is never quiet. Every action you will analyze. He said this, that means he is dishonest. Oh no, but then he did this, that means he is honest. And this will keep going on and on and on. There is no rest to the mind. But here, what Gurudev says is, have the conviction he is dishonest and yet he is still part of me. I accept him as he is. That's it. Finished. Doubt is an unstable state where your foot is neither on this shore nor on the other. This leads to tension. One way or the other, take a direction and regain your footing. When your acceptance is unconditional, then you accept the world at its worst, the person at its worst, honest, dishonest, okay, he is dishonest. Have the conviction. And then say, but still that person is part of me and I move on. Have you noticed that you usually doubt the things which are positive in your life? You don't doubt negative things so much. See, if I say that, this person, like Prasad, is a very nice guy. And he is very honest, you can totally rely on him. Then you notice the expression on that person's face is also, like, how do you know? What is the proof? Anything good, you tell people. Suddenly we become so objective, scientific minded, research oriented, and we want to know all the facts, documents, everything. So something good needs to be really proved. Something negative, we just take it like that. That time we don't ask for proof and all the facts and everything. You doubt a person's honesty and you believe in his dishonesty. Someone talks negative about someone, you will not only believe it in it, you will add to it also. When someone is angry with you, you have no doubt about his anger. But when someone says he loves you, a doubt creeps in. Someone says, I love you, you say, really? Someone says, I hate you, nobody goes, really? See, people who hate each other, they don't have long conversations on the phone, no? Asking each other after every few days, you really hate me. But people who love each other, a small little action of not replying, not responding, not smiling, immediately the doubt creeps in. That means you don't love me. You have changed. You were not like this before. When you are depressed, do you ever think, am I really depressed? No, you accept your depression as a fact. Yet when you are happy, you doubt, am I really happy? Is this what I really wanted? We always say, this is too good to be true. Nobody says too bad to be true. You doubt your capability, but never your weakness. Normally we are so sure what we cannot do, but not so sure what we can do. Look at this tendency to doubt the positive things in your life. The second thing he says is, doubt the negative and put your trust in the positive. The last thing about dealing with doubts, he says, put doubt in its proper place and doubt the doubts. So this was about dealing with doubt. And the next knowledge sheet is about fire. It's amazing, no? Just this topic, fire, and Gurudev brings such amazing wisdom which can be integrated in our day-to-day life. So see you in the next video.